Is this the right time to invest? Many people always throw me this question. As a property investor for the past 25 years, I think 2021 is a very opportunity years for a lot of young investors. Therefore, I meet a lot of young investors lately. The same question that they are asking me, Amenny, how can I prepare myself when I want to invest property? I realize most of the people when they want to start their journey of investment, they do not know how. I having the same struggle at my young age before I am investing my first property. Therefore, I spent a lot of time to figure out how can I leverage on the bank and how can I get more mortgage so that actually I can own few more properties in my life. So in today's video, I would like to review how I did for my customer that I'm working together with them, and this will be the free session for some of you if you have your family member or your friends or your co-partner that you want to invest together. Therefore, I want to give you these 3 tips. So these 3 tips, I paid a lot of money to learn it, and of course, I gone through the struggle. I don't want that you repeat the same and figure out yourself. Therefore, in the upcoming webinar, I will going to give you these 3 important tips. How can you save tons of your time that just need this step-by-step template that I already created for you, and you can use it to model it. And I'm going to walk you through. The first tips is I will walk through the template that I created, so which allowed you to do the document preparations before you submit to the bank. The second part is I'll be going to guide you through this proven system that how many of my 1,000 investors have using the same format, but allowed them to use it again and again, and they also able to share this good piece of system to the people that they know when they want to start their journey as an investor. Last but not least, the whole process, I will guide you step by step so that you will spend only 15 minutes and it save your entire life to be a successful investor. If you like to claim this free template, I want you to click the link below, register for our upcoming tutorial session. It just needs you 15 minutes and it will be giving you a hassle-free process for you to understand what do you need to do as a new investor, and also allow you to share this piece of the template with your co-partner, your friends, and your family member who intend to invest and buy more property. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the upcoming webinar on my tutorial. Bye.